What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be cleaning out this green cotton air filter. It's exactly the same process for if you're cleaning out a K&N cotton air filter. And the first thing we're going to do is take the dirty side, which is the side that it sucks the air from. And as you can see here, it's quite black. There's a bit of dirt there, so we're just going to knock that out. Just tap it and knock it out. You can see lots of debris and coming out there. And yeah, you can see I've got some bugs and some dirt, and it's actually quite good at catching pretty fine particles of dirt there. Okay, so just keep banging out the dirty side of the air filter until you feel like you've got most of the stuff out of it. Okay, so the next step is to clean your air filter with some air filter cleaner before you rinse it. And I'm using K&N. Of course, this is a green air filter, but they're both more or less the same thing. I just found the K&N easier to get at the shops. So you just want to spray the stuff all over it. Just give the bottle a good shake. And spray the stuff on both sides. And this is actually the dirty side. There's still quite a lot of debris left in there from when we shook it all out earlier. So this stuff is fine to use plenty of. And we'll let it do its job. So I'm going to give it about 15 minutes to just soak like that before we move on to rinse it. Air filter cleaner has been in there for about 15 minutes. What I'm going to do now is rinse the air filter, and you do that from the clean side to the dirty side. You don't want to do it from the dirty side to the clean side because you don't want all the dirt to get stuck inside the gauze. So let's do that. So just cold water should do. Just rinse it from that one side, and you can see the colour of the water that's coming through. So I'm really just trying to use the air pressure to just blast all the dirt out from the clean side. So the next thing to do is to just wait for it to dry, but what I'm going to do instead is use a hairdryer. And actually heat is not really good for the cotton, it could make it shrink, but this hairdryer has a cool function, which is what I'll be using to just speed up the drying process. Okay, so once the air filter is dry, you need to apply that oil. I'm going to put mine on the dirty side. And let's have a look here. I want to apply it quite evenly. Across each of these . Okay, so that's how you clean a green or K&N air filter, and the most important thing is just to make sure that you don't over oil it at the end, and once you have oiled it, just give it some time to soak in before you put it on your car, and you should be good to go. This is regular maintenance for these cotton air filters. You should do it every 30,000 miles or so, regardless of what the manufacturers say. I think it's safer to do it every 30,000 miles at least. I've used the K&N cleaning kit on a green cotton filter. and I don't really think it makes any difference. This was just what I found easier to get in the shops, and I'm using a green cotton filter, which is supposed to be slightly better than the K&N's, but I hope you found this video useful. Make sure you comment, rate, subscribe. It's Redline Revs.